Hi guys, welcome to my channel, our channel. So today we will be showing you our kitten.
Her name's RaIsIn.
This is RaIsIn. She's
and guys,
4 or 3 months old.
Yeah, and guys, remember to like and subscribe and hit
that notification bell.
And remember the Hulk smash. Strong RaIsIn bubs. Guys, we were just watching videos of ourselves and literally we were laughing so much. It was so funny.
RaIsIn is a little monkey.
Hello,
because she's
Malaka.
No. She's a little monkey because she's now learned how to open doors.
And she's learned how to eat the cheese plant.
Yeah, and she's broken our cheese plant.
Yeah, you probably think it's weird. It's a plant that does not grow cheese. Cheese do not grow.
Yeah, and well, can you tell them? You keep putting your hand under our doors, so when we try to tidy our rooms, you go like that and tap, tap, tap.
And we tap it back.
And we tap back, and then you mew, and then we want to love you.
Yeah, we want to see you. So, guys,
RaIsIn is a professional biter. Look.
And guys, after this, we're going to let her go, and we're going to film a different video.
See ya. Bye.